Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably in a bit of a pickle with an Uber Eats order that you need to cancel. Maybe you accidentally double-tapped that add to cart button, or perhaps your plans changed last minute. Whatever the reason, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel an Uber Eats order in 2025, step by step. This process is super straightforward, especially with the latest app updates that make everything even faster and more user-friendly. First things first, make sure you have the Uber Eats app open on your phone. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store, it's free and quick. Once you're in, head over to the Orders tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of your active orders. Tap on the one you want to cancel. Now, look for the three-dot menu or the More Options button. It's right next to the order details. This is where the magic happens. In the menu, select Cancel Order. The app might ask you why you're canceling, so choose the reason that best fits, like wrong item selected, or changed my mind. Uber Eats in 2025 has some cool new features, like a quick AI chat that pops up to confirm if you're sure, helping you avoid any accidental cancels. Once you've selected your reason, hit Confirm Cancellation. Boom! Your order should be canceled right away, but keep in mind that this only works if the driver hasn't picked up your food yet. If they have, you might not be able to cancel and could need to contact support for a refund. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always check the order status before trying to cancel, and if you run into any issues, use the in-app chat support. It's lightning fast now in 2025. Also, to avoid this in the future, double-check your cart before checking out. There you have it. That's how you cancel an Uber Eats order hassle-free. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more everyday tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.